Hey folks, welcome back to Fresh Produce. I'm Pete from BTI. Now, I know a lot of new folks have gotten into the sport over the last couple years, and maybe after some time on the bike, you're starting to think about repairing that bike. Also, just a ton of folks maybe had long waits at the shop, maybe had a little more time on their hands, so they started working on their own bikes. So today I wanted to talk about some toolkits that can help outfit you and maybe your garage for doing a lot more of these repairs. I think these are also really great items for bike shops to stock to help support their customers as they go out on trips and things like that. So let's get right into it. I'm going to break this down sort of in order of their size and complexity. For sure, there's some groupings within this. So some of the kits are going to be really small and maybe ideal to take in the back of your car on a trip with you. And then some are going to be full-size pro kits, maybe better left set up in your garage workstation. So starting right out here, we've got the Birzman Essential Box. I think this is a really awesome setup for taking your car. Of course, it's really small, could fit just about anywhere, but it's got some unique pieces that make it super capable. So this one is 13 pieces, includes the essentials like chain whip, cassette lock ring tool. You've got Allen and hex keys, screwdrivers, and chain tool. Important point to note, they have a little connector addition here that'll allow your 8mm Allen to work along with items that normally you would need like a 1/2-inch socket set. So like their cassette lock ring tool and a bottom bracket tool included. So giving you a little more capability while keeping your toolkit really small and light. Another pretty cool addition in this kit is a disc brake spacing tool. Can just help get those pistons aligned and set back when you're doing adjustments. Really could be useful in the parking lot as you're getting ready to ride and notice a brake rev. So this is a pretty sweet one. Another one in the same category is going to be the IceToolz Essential Kit. Really small and light, ideal for some parking lot style repairs, but I think it could work for a lot of other home repairs as well. So take a look at those as your kind of smallest, lightest, but still fairly capable kits out there. All right, from there, we're going to step up to a couple of different park tool kits. We've got the Home Mechanic Starter Kit and the Advanced Mechanic Kit. These include a lot more tools and actually some brushes, cleaning brushes and things like that as well. With the Advanced Mechanic Kit, you're also getting into several of the cone wrenches and some other tools. I think it's important to think about whether you're comfortable working on, hubs with adjustable cup and cone bearings, or if you ever need to work on those. Most modern bikes don't always have those parts, but if you do think you're going to work on some bikes that need those tools, it's super nice to have, and that Park Advanced Mechanic Kit is really well set up for it. Both these kits also include the Big Blue Book of bicycle repair. Even if you're pretty comfortable with most things, this is a great reference when you do come across that repair you're unsure about, or just kind of touch up on some of your skills. So nice addition for both of these boxes. All right, from here we step all the way up to the Birzman Studio Kit. I really like that Birzman Studio Kit. Probably going to be left at home, but I like that kit because it has several of the fork and headset tools that you don't get in many of these other kits. So they've got a star nut tool and a crown race tool as well. Most of these other kits, you're going to have to, bring your bike to a shop to get those parts installed and ready to go. So if you ever think about installing a fork or swapping things around, those parts are included in that. We definitely have a couple of different park tool full kits as well. They've got one that's called the Event Kit, and that one seems really, really thorough. It comes in a super nice case, easy travel case, but it's big. Probably going to be for those that are working at an event more so than just your home mechanic, but I do think that they would be great for setting up your garage to be very capable as well. All the cone wrenches, a really wide variety of other cleaning tools included in that. It's basically a pro setup without just missing a few pieces. When we get all the way up to the very top of the line, we're talking about Abbey tools. They make a ton of the nicest tools out there. They're really specifically designed for the job, and they're beautiful as well as functional. What I like about their box or their tool kit, it does fit in a really well-designed box. All the items custom cut right into foam, but they include some unique pieces like they actually have Nipex pliers included in that kit. In a lot of cases, those pliers can take the role of socket jobs if you're doing fork service and things like that. So pretty cool that they brought that in on the side. That kit is definitely going to be for the pro mechanic or even at the shop level that's really trying to have the nicest quality tools available. A couple things to note, none of these kits really include disc brake bleed kits. Those are going to usually need to be added on to your kit arsenal separately, mostly because each brake does use a little bit different fitting. So best to just buy that kind of piece separate and add that into the kit if you're comfortable doing that service work. All right, I think we covered it. We talked about smaller car style kits all the way up to a full pro mechanic kit. If you're interested in getting something like this for traveling or to outfit your own garage and workstation, make sure you ask at your local bike shop and tell them BTI sent you. Thanks for watching.